Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll share a quick update about the Distribute AI airdrop. If you visit their X account, as you can see, they recently shared an update about the claim option to get your tokens. They shared the website and you need to claim between May 21st and June 21st. As you can see, they've taken the snapshot. To claim the airdrop, you must connect your wallet. For that, click here, then choose the settings option, then here select wallet. Then click Add Wallet, choose your Solana wallet. Here I'll select Phantom. Then click Connect and Confirm. And make this wallet primary. As you can see, it's done. Now you need to visit this website to claim your token. I'll provide the link in the description. Here, connect the same wallet. Now you can see your total allocation. If it shows an error, you can try again later. After claiming your tokens, you need to visit this website where you can swap your tokens. Here in the search option, type DIS. Then, for example, I'll select USDT. Then you can sell your tokens. That's it for this video. For all updates, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.